Okay, we're going to do some graph sketching. Notice the big thing, this is going off of transformations, but really it just looks like vertex form because those are pretty much the same thing. So notice I have a quadratic. My a value is -1. My vertex, remember how it was the vertex form. Let's just write it down. Vertex form was y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where your vertex is the point hk, meaning we got to take the opposite of what's in the parentheses and then just leave the y values the same. So the x coordinate of my vertex, I take the opposite and it's -3. I don't have a plus anything out here, so that would be the same as if I wrote +0, because now your coordinate is -3, 0. So that's your vertex. Now the a value, we're going to use our growth rate of a parabola. Remember our 1a, 3a, 5a. And because a is -1, that just means we're multiplying by -1 and everything. Okay. So it means I'm going to go over 1. The negative represents the down direction, so I go over 1, down 1, over 1, down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could put a 5th point there if I wanted to, but it doesn't go on the graph, so I'm not going to bother. Over 1, down 1, 1, down 3, and same thing. And that's our graph there. Okay, let's do the 41. Absolute value sign. Now remember, with transformations, and that's the whole point of like the vertex form transformations, it's just seeing how is everything shifted. So I don't have anything inside this absolute value, which means there's no horizontal shift. I don't have anything at the end, which means there's no vertical shift, which means my vertex is just going to be at 0, 0, right in the center. We call that point the origin. And now this number here, it does represent a vertical stretch or compression. Because this one is a fraction, I know it's a compression, but what that means for us, because this is absolute value sign, I'm not using the 1a, 3a, 5a pattern. This is just going to represent the slope of my line in both directions. Remember, slope is rise over run, and because it's negative, this means I'm going to go down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. I'm going to do the same in the other direction because I need a V shape because it's absolute value. See what I did there? 1, 2, 2. And then I'm just going to make that look nice. And that's graphing for you.